A sphere has a surface area 144 pi centimeters squared. Work out the volume of the sphere, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So here we have a sphere. The only thing that sort of defines a sphere is the radius. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So that means 144 pi will be equal to 4 pi r squared. So cancelling, dividing both sides by 4 pi, that means I'm going to get 36 is equal to r, and r square root of 36 will give me 6, that the radius is equal to 6. I don't have to consider the negative square root in the context of this question. Then the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So it's going to give me that v is 4/3 of pi times 6 cubed. And that's going to give me 288 pi. And that will give me an answer of 904.7. Gives the answer to 3 significant figures, so that 7 will make that 4 of 5. So it gives a final answer of 905 centimeters cubed, correct to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you, given the surface area of a sphere, that you can very easily find its volume. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.